All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Elliot Master Life Trading Channel. My name is Philippe. I'm the trader on this channel. Today is December 29th, 2020. All right, if you are a returning trader, please hit like. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to click on the little bell next to the subscribe button. That way you can get a notification of when I go live, because I don't go live always at the same time. All right, let's get the disclaimer out of the way. Any views expressed in this channel, Elliot Wave Master YouTube channel, are those of the author only. Any communications for informational discussion, entertainment purposes only, does not constitute investment advice, nor is incentive to invest or an offer to buy or sell futures commodities. Um, Hold on, futures commodities or solicitation to buy or sell any investment product slash class in any jurisdiction. Sorry, I'm thinking of something else right here. Now, any views, valuations ever expressed or quoted by or sell trades are only estimates and are subject to change. All investment ideas discussed in this channel may evoke high risk. There's a possibility of total loss, or that losses may exceed the amount invested. It is the sole responsibility of the viewer to assure that she or he complies with all the applicable laws and regulations. Elliot Master Channel is not a licensed investment advisor, nor is it a commodity trading advisor, is a license such of any federal or state regulatory agencies. Investors and traders are responsible for their own investment statutory decisions, including entries, exit, and the use of stops. The author is not responsible for any loss or damage arising from or connection to the use of any information from this channel. So if you follow our trades, you do so at your own risk. I'm not responsible. And always use a stop. Okay, where am I? Okay, here it is. Okay, I'm already on a trade as I was setting up. Um, I already took a trade, so all right. The market is positive 5, and I'm already long. Long, short. I'm sorry. Already short. We're looking to make new lower lows here. We just made one. Oh no, sorry, I was looking at the wrong thing on the dome. Sorry about that. All right. Our overnight low is 76.8. And my target is 76.6. My real target is lower. It's 70.9. But I don't know if it's gonna go all that far. It could go. You know, maybe I'll split it and I'll put, yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna split this. And I'm gonna put one all the way down at, I'm gonna put it 80 even. And this coincides with kind of with a wave 3 that we had yesterday that never went. So I'm actually gonna go to the top of that wave 3. Our target is right inside of the box. So I'm just gonna go to the top of the box. All right, already up almost 1,000 on this trade. Let's see if the market has a hard time going negative. Yeah, so I saw at around 84.4 and at 85 that buyers kept on buying, but market wasn't really moving. So someone was just absorbing all of the trades, all of the buys. They kept on close, close, close. I'll take it. And They were not able to raise the market. So that's a sneaky way of taking over the market. Instead of making it obvious that you want it to change direction, you're just on defense. So you're just taking the blows and you're tiring the guy out. It's a strategic that they often use. It's a silent attack. And if you pay attention on your level 2 and on your time in sales, you'll be able to see that. And it's key because, I saw, hey, a lot of buyers, but it's not moving. So it's an absorption of buys by a seller who wanted the market to drop. So if you guys ever learned something, please hit like. If you ever have time, log into my YouTube account and leave a comment. I know you have to go back in, but hey, it'll be nice so you can let other people know if you're doing well in this channel or not, Or if you just absolutely hate me and you think I suck, leave a comment too, All right. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback here. Normal. They tried to go to 0 and they started buying. Now let's just see how far back up it will go. I suspect it will go up to about low 82. So 82.3, 82.5, and then it should drop again, or it should start dropping now. I'm going to move stop to entry. Yeah, it'll probably stop or probably at 82. So by yesterday, the market going from positive to negative, maybe it's a clue that they are stepping out of gold. That gold is not being used as a hedging commodities anymore. Could be. Right, I would hate to be wrong on this and lose out on $1,000 right out of the gate. But it's a chance that I'm taking. It's all about risk versus reward. scalping is awesome and it's a great way to make money, but you if you really want to stay alive, live off of trading, you need to make more than what you risk. All right, here we are. Let's see how the market reacts. All right, let me start looking at my time and sales here. Yeah, I think it's happening again. They're buying and the market is not really moving. Looks like the bulls may be giving up. Not 100% clear. So it went to target where I said it would go. It looks like the buyers are losing. Buying sales are being absorbed. But the sellers are also not coming through. So, here we go. Here we go. Come on, follow through. Let's go. It could just collapse right now. Here it is. They're hitting it. Go, go, go. Oh. Yeah, it looks like the buyers are getting exhausted. They're running out of money or just giving up. All right, so we need to be ready for a wave two. And it looks like it's going to go right through. Hot knife. Let's go. So at the bottom here, we had a lot of buyers. Right, up 1,100, 1,200. Here we go. Oh. Hot knife. Go, go, go. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Don't fake me out. I know you're going to close the gap. All right. There we go. Beautiful. Already have 670 on the bank. I'm going to move my stop down. So obviously there would be buyers at the closure of the gap. So they're trying to bring it up. If I get out now, I'll be at 1,400. Again, buyers are not able to bring it up. They're struggling. It may collapse again. Here we go. Here we go. We could see a small correction, but it looks like buyers again are right. We're almost at negative. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, maybe a buying opportunity on the NQ. Oh, that could be a beauty. All right, I need to take my eyes away from gold for a second. Let's see. Oh, this could be a beaut. All right, it's gonna be high risk. I still may wanna correct a little more. Yeah, I don't think it's ready yet. And this would be a huge stop too. Oh man, high risk trade here. Big stop. Yeah, it would be a long at 40 with a stop at 10. Very high risk trade as far as risk versus reward. It was, I mean, if it goes to target, it'll still be a three. I think it's 3 points. Yeah, target is 931. All right, we should see gold start to fall again. But I don't know if it's done yet. Yeah, I want to see. Yeah, I want to see it go a little lower. Yeah, I would like to see NQ go at least to 800. All right, I'm gonna put a. Sure, right? Is everything on? Yeah, I'm gonna put a buy. I'm gonna put a buy at the stop actually. Oops. I could be wrong on this. Maybe it's already gonna move, but I'm not gonna take a risk. Again, long on the NQ. If you can't afford it, you should go long at 840. Stop would be at 1050 and target 931. I think it's going to go a little lower. I actually would like to go long at 802.25. But just in case it doesn't want to go that low, I'm going long at 10.50. So where the stop is, that's where I'm going long. Let me cast this. Oh, I need to change it first. Hold on. All right. All right, how we doing here on gold? So full correction up of that swing. It could be over. If it is, that'll be a bummer. I could have ended the day with 1400. Let's hope I'm wrong. If we see a 82.3, it's over. All right, let's see, this will work now. And Q. Is it on? It should be on. Okay. And here we go. All right, so it bounced off of 82, which is good, but now we need to see a 78. Any 78 would be nice if we see a 78.1. I'm a little bit afraid of this trade now because we should have went deeper into negative, but since it closed the gap, obviously there would be a roadblock there. I should actually cleared both of my trades there, but I was not expecting a full retracement. I thought it would actually stop at around high 79s. So seeing 82, that's 100% correction of the swing, and that is not good. All right, I'm gonna take a chance here, and I'm gonna go to right at entry. All right, so NQ is already 10 points above. Maybe I screwed up. Oh man. You know what? I screwed up. I did not look at the NQ. It's only positive 12. Oh, I didn't look at that. But on the other hand, ES is trying to go negative. Russell's already 35. Yeah, you know what? I did the smart thing. But look at that. It's running. Woo! 20 points already I could have had. Let's see how it reacts at this area right here. Let's see if there's any sellers at 65. All right. As far as gold, looks like the buyers are getting exhausted. Not clear yet. No follow through on the selling side. Yeah, the offers are quite small. Yeah, the problem with having such a huge stop is that if it would have turned on me now, I still would have been on the trade. Excuse me. I wouldn't have raised my stop, so. Yeah. But it could be a good trade. Hope somebody took it. Something big is going to happen here. Let's hope it breaks to our side. So we are seeing, again, more buying, but they're not able to lift it yet. So that is weakness. They just bought 20 lots at 82 and the market hasn't moved up. They're still trying though. So the algos have taken over. It's going up and down. All right, that NQ, it may have reached exhaustion. Let me take a look at the. Oh yeah. Oh. Man, this is volatile. Yeah, I should have actually gone in at 26. I was hesitant. And I would have gone out at 60. Yeah, I would have picked up a nice little 15-pointer. But I think it's going to come crashing down and I'm out. If it comes back down, it may even go a little deeper. It may go all the way down to 97. So I'm going to be a buyer here. That's where I'm going to buy. And then I'll probably exit at 50. Nice little 50-point run. Okay. Let's get back to gold here. So the algos are still in control. Buyers are taking over a little bit, so it may go up a little higher. All right, we just saw a 31 lot being bought. And look at that. Market's hardly moving. If we don't see it go up 1 point, it's gonna crash down. All right, here we go. Come on, come on. We need to see a low 80. An 84. I mean, an 80.4. Our buyers are coming in again. No, it's going to fail. It's going to fail. This is algo heaven. They're going to try one more time. I should actually sell NQ. Look at YM. Trying to go negative. So it looks like gold is waiting to see if the other indices are going to go negative or not. YM negative, ES negative. So are they going to hedge with gold now? That's what it looks like. Oh man, I do not want to be stopped out here. That would be a bummer. Oh man. Gave back almost 7 points. That would be a shame. But I'm still seeing it stall. I have the hedge on gold. That's it. So it could stop right at the green line, which it just hit. That green line is maximum 3. So now it looks like it's dropping a little bit, and YM and ES went positive. So they could be hedging with gold. But I think it's just exhaustion. I think that's all it is. They can... So at 82.3, they bought 52 lots, and it dropped. And then just now, they bought a total of, what is that? 70 lots. And they couldn't make it past 83.3. That could be exhaustion or absorption. So, or on the other hand, it could be hedging. Because look at the YM's already up 20 points. And look at the NQ. Man, I guess I screwed up. Could have had 30 points. Oh well. Okay, I'm taking off the trade on the NQ. So again, target on the NQ is going to be 932. All right. Bulls are coming back. They just bought, what is that? 66 lot at 82.9. And that should have took it higher. It didn't. This could be the end of them. Just hope they could do a one spike up and take me out and drop. But I'm not willing to give any of this money back. Hell no. Especially after I could have had 1,400 already. No. So I'll get stopped out and I'll re-enter. Yeah, and look again. YM went almost negative again, and we're going up. So yeah, they're probably hedging. So this here, it looks bad because it looks like it's a new trend. But a new trend will really be if we pass. Yeah, if we pass 83.2, that will really be a new trend. As of now, it doesn't look like a new trend. But it could change any second. All right, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, we need to see an 80. 1880. So at 83 even, they had 81 buys versus 13 sells, and they couldn't raise it up. So that is exhaustion. No follow through. We need to be under VWAP, which is at 81.2. Once we see that, it will help our trade. But I'm a little bit bummed about the NQ. I should have taken that. All right, we don't need the. I'm not gonna take this trade. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I hope somebody took that NQ. It was a little bit too conservative. Would have been up already almost 40 points. All right. We're doing well here. Positive 670 plus 140 on this trade. All right, we need to pass this algo area, so we got to clear 81.9, and then we need to clear 81.1. Algo heaven. So this is exactly what the market wants you to see. So you make a mistake. You see it going up and down, up and down. So then you see it go up, and you're going to say, oh, okay, it's going to bust. And you buy there, and it comes down. And then it comes to the bottom here. Oh, okay, it's going to drop. And then you sell, and it goes back up. So this is where they make money out of you, is right here in these jigsaw areas, up and down chop. It's all market makers and algo. If you ever see the market like that, stay away. All right, I may be taken out here, but that would be a shame. I should have cleared with that 1400. But I wasn't expecting to come all the way back up like this. And there it is, I'm out. All right. So I'm up 740. A little bummed out, but I'm positive. It's all good. And there it is. This is what I was afraid I was going to go up, take me out, and come back down. But it's a chance that I took. I wasn't willing to give any of that money back. That sucks. It went exactly to 84, took me out, and it dropped. uh, that sucks. All right, so what could this could be a wave 2 up. So here's wave 2. It could be a wave 2. It did a maximum algo 2, not a typical 2. So that's maybe what we could be seeing. So it would have been just an ABC, or it could even be a 1, 2. It could be a 3, 4, and a 5. This 5 is a little bit long, but yeah, it's. I mean, wave 3 should always be the longest wave, so yeah, it's not a wave 5. So wave 3 will always be the longest wave on Elliot wave. So if it would have stopped right here at at 77.5, then yes, it would have been a wave 5, or even a 78 even. It's, I mean, yeah. But with the algos, it could be a wave 5, but Elliott wave rule is that wave 3 is always the longest. So I actually think it's just an ABC wave 1, wave 2 up, and now wave 3 down. So I'm going to look for a short at 79.5. Let's see if the market drops. So YM is trying to stay negative. There was a small buying opportunity on the Russell. It looks like it went to target already. Wasn't looking to the side, so I missed it, but it looks like it did a wave 2. And now it's on a wave 3, or it just did an ABC. Let me look at that. Oh yeah, it went to target. It was a long from 60.8 to 63.6. Yeah, the small ones. I said that yesterday. I say it all the time. The small ones are always really good targets. Yeah, kind of made a quick. What is that? $60? No, 140. That was a $60. Is that what it is? Six. Stop would have been at 59.6. So that's $60. Yeah. So you could have made $140 with $60 risk. So that's what, 2.2 risk, 2.3. That's a nice trade. Wow, full reversal up. All right, it could drop from here. I'm tempted to take a short here. I'm tempted to go short. All right, I'm going to take a short. Very small risk here, so I'm going to be right above the high. A little bit more. What is the high? Yeah, I'm right above the high. Overnight high is at 87.8. So I'm still looking for that 70.9. I'm going to go to 71. So monstrous trade here. So this could still be valid as a wave 2 as long. So Elliot wave rule, if it doesn't pass the beginning of wave 1, it could still be a wave 2. So if we pass 85, then it's no longer a wave 2 up. But typically, this is where wave 2 should stop. That NQ trade is halfway through. Right, here we go. So we need to see it pass all this algo area here. It's going to be all heat. All heat. Oh, so we just saw a absorption to the upside at 83. What is it? 83.6. Whole bunch of sales, and the bulls just bought it, but it could be turning around now. We will know until we see a high 82. So, but we really need to clear is 82. If we could pass this algo area here, I think we'll be golden. Looks like NQ is stalling. It could be a good area to go short on the NQ for about 30 points. Minimum of 15 points. I'm tempted to take a little short here. All right, I'm gonna go for it. Let's see what happens. Am I showing? I'm not showing, am I? Oh, it's gonna take me out. Oh! Whoa! Did I just get saved by one tick? No, it's gonna take me out. All right, that's gonna hurt. It's gonna be a $150 loss. All right, still plus 590 plus whatever. I'm on this trade here. I'm gonna try one more time right here, or it could have been already late. I may be late. Oh, I think I'm late. Bummer. All right. Get me in there. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Yeah, I should have sold a little higher. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. I got my stop floating. I'm ready to drop it at entry at any minute. Here we go. Go, 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 go. I'm getting out. Yes. All right. Made about 200 bucks. So I'm up 785. Not counting on this trade, which is turning on me right now. All right. Made my money back, but I could lose it here on gold. All right. So gold. What's going on with, oh, they just bought a whole shitload here. So yeah, I think they're hedging on gold. So NQ dropped and gold just had a whole bunch of buys. All right, I'm gonna see if I could do a correlation here of gold and NQ. It'll be nice to have a little tell. All right, let's see. Come on, don't take me out. Oh, it's gonna take me out. All right, so everything I made on the NQ is gone. All right, got out right at the right place, huh, on NQ, but got killed here on gold. Okay, I'm up 665. All right, so NQ is dropping a little. Gold is going up. No, they are par. They're not going. Let's see. NQ just dropped a little bit. Let's see if gold drops. Yeah. Yeah. So looks like gold is following the NQ. Oh man. All right. Okay, it's gonna be patient here. All right, we don't need that anymore. Should have made a little more money on the NQ. I hesitated to go short. I should have gone short at 86. I went short at, where did I go short? at 80. Yeah, I should have went short at 86. All right, so YM is negative almost 30 points. Doesn't look like it's influencing the NQ. But it could at any second because usually the Russell and the NQ are usually the same side. Not always. And Russell's negative 33. So T-bills and bonds are negative. Yeah, the only thing positive is crude, gold, and NQ, and YM barely. All right, so I would like to go short again on gold, but I could be forcing a trade here, and I don't want to be forcing a side. So wave 2 is gone, so we're not on a wave 2 because we saw a new higher high. All right, I'm gonna take a short. And this time I'm just gonna scalp. I'm gonna keep it tight. Don't want to give a whole lot back. And I'm just gonna go for a scalp. I want to see if I can make this 150 that I just lost back. High risk trade. We just saw a new higher high going against the grain, going against the market. So high risk. All right, I need to do a restroom run. I'll be back. got out of that NQ way too soon, huh? Yeah, I admit it. I got scared out of it. I got scared out of it. All right. So if gold was following the NQ, let's see if it makes a move. Wow, look at that drop. 30 points. Whoa, is this news? YM and ES not really reacting to this. Wow. Okay. Come on, gold. Let's go. Yeah, I knew I should have. Yeah, could have made a lot more money on the NQ. All right, screwed up on the NQ 2 times already. I should have gone long and taken 30 points. I should have gone south and taken another 30 points. So I should have been up at least 60 points on the NQ. All right, so I guess gold is waiting to see if the NQ just did a correction. I think that's what's going on. But we'll see if it goes negative. I think gold is waiting to see if NQ is going to go negative. Look at YM already, 60 points. It could still turn around. I always say 80 points is nothing. I think YM it only nails down a direction above 100 points. And I think the ES is anywhere between 7 to 10 points. And this is now. Before COVID, it wasn't this. Before COVID, 35 points in the YM was already a side. All right, come on, gold. All right, so we're seeing a whole lot of buying, and it's not going up. At 85.2, there was 97 buys, and didn't really raise the market, but it looks like we're getting to another algo area. So again, I think they're waiting for the NQ to go negative. So the buying is still, look at that, wow, a whole lot of buying. Whoa, a whole lot of buying ever since 8:08 a.m. It's all buys. So 8:08, so from right here, all buys, and the market only went up 1 point. This could be a tell. It could be exhaustion. So we could see a 3-point drop here. All right, I think I'm gonna lower my target. But I think they're still waiting on the NQ. They're waiting on the NQ, and they're waiting on the YM to go lower. All right. gonna grab some hot water. I'll be right back. All right. Ooh, they don't want to see that on the NQ. So NQ should turn around that. Let's see. If it doesn't turn around at 68. Oh, come on. I don't want to get stopped out here. I'm going to risk a little more here. All right, I shouldn't be doing this. But I'm just not seeing it. I'm not seeing. The buyers don't have a lot of power. I could be wrong. Just saw a new higher high, new cash high. So I could just be completely off. All right, I think I'm mistaken. I'm gonna be giving a lot of this money back. Shoot. All right, so NQ started to drop from 68. If it goes any higher, that was just a correction. So it looks like that is what gold was waiting to see. But here we go. Here we go. NQ coming down. Oh my God, I'm getting killed here on gold. Oh. And I'm right under the overnight high too. Yeah, I think I screwed up. I think I screwed up, but the NQ could help me. All right. I might have gotten sold on a side and I'm just forcing a side. That's a mistake that a lot of traders make. I make also. You get convinced on a side We need to see a new lower low on the NQ. And now the ES is positive. Yeah, I'm in trouble. Giving a lot of money back here. Shit. Yeah, it's gonna go for a new higher high. Yeah, I'm gonna extend it. If it doesn't drop from 88.5, I'm screwed. I'm gonna give a lot of this money back. Yeah. Don't do what I do, do what I say. Yeah. I've been ignoring this whole wave up, and I said it. If we passed 83, it was a new trend, and I have not been looking at that. All right, I'm already this deep. This is what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna add another contract right here. So from 88, this is gonna leverage me up. All right, this is what I'm gonna do right here. So if it doesn't bounce from 88, it could bounce off of 92.5. I mean, not 92.5, I'm sorry. 91. All right, so NQ doesn't want to go negative. YM's almost back to positive. Right, here we go. New higher high. Oh, wow. They got stuffed out. But they're still trying. Might just do a spike up and bring me in 2 contracts. If they can't make a new higher high, that could be a tell. But they're gonna do it. There it is. Okay. All right, I'm in. Got a drop from here. This is complete suicide. Oh. Yeah, gold was definitely waiting for the NQ. I'm tempted to take a short on the NQ. I should have done so at 77. Oh my god, I'm getting murdered here. I'm gonna add one more. This is insane. All right, here we go. Here we go. So I either have an opportunity to get out or I'm gonna have an opportunity to make some money. I need to choose. Will I just get out even? Oh, look at the YM. It did not want to go positive. I am tempted to lower it down to 83.5. You know, I'm gonna go for, or at least I'm gonna go and split it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna split it. I'm gonna get out with two. Well, where's my cursor? Cursor. I don't know where my cursor is. All right, here it is. All right, so I'm gonna split. gonna do the opposite. All right. I think we're at the mercy of the NQ. It's like the Russell's trying to go for a new lower low. That would be nice if the ES goes negative also. All right. If I don't see an 89, I'm in trouble. I need to see an 89. Market just did a little small ABC. So if you're not short and you want to go long, it's an opportunity right now to go long. So go long at 90, and target is going to be at 92.5. Stop at 89. So just did an ABC right here. ABC long. Right, I need to see any 88 will do. All right, they're trying to create a block on the downside. So they're trying to stop the gold from dropping. Oh, look at NQ. Oh. And YM's almost positive. All right, if they don't start hedging on gold, I'm in trouble. But I would like to take a short on the NQ. I'm going to take a short on the NQ. I'm going to go for a quick scalp. Come on, come on. I'm not casting that, am I? There it is. All right, gold is waiting again to see if the NQ is going to make a new higher high. I'm getting out of NQ. All right, 75 bucks. Of a quick 75. All right. So right now I'm up 770, but I'm negative 590 on this trade. So what is that? Positive? I can't see. So I'm positive 190, 200. Is that what it is? I can't see this freaking. Yeah. Oh, I could have made a little more money on the NQ. Should have stayed at my target, but I got scared. If I wasn't negative so much in gold, I would have stuck to it. Look at that. Hit my target. Would have made 200 bucks. Oh well. Oh well. Okay, here we go. So that long is killed. Okay. This could be it. This could be it. Let's see if I could fix this freaking mistake. All right, what's going on? All right, so YM is negative. It struggled to go positive. Russell just made a triple bottom. It's trying to go for a new. What is the low on the Russell? Let's see. Where is my Russell? Russell, where are you? Okay, so overnight low is 55.3. Okay, so it's not gonna make a new low, but it looks like it's gonna be a new cash low. Is it a new cash low? It's not a new cash low. Okay, so the cash low is the overall low. Okay. Come on, gold, keep going. Should I get out? Oh, I don't know if I should get out. I should get out and just clear two. I could be completely wrong, but I have a feeling NQ is gonna go negative. Well, this is my chance right now. Oh my God, I'm so tempted to just clear everything and just start fresh. So now it's very clear that gold is following the NQ, right? It's pretty obvious. Now we just need NQ to keep driving. So let me open up this chart here. Let's see. What am I really seeing on the NQ? Okay. Oh. Okay. So NQ could be doing. It looks like NQ just did a 2.3. So it looks like it was on a wave 3 going down. And then it corrected, went back up. It did another wave 2 up. So it could be doing a 3.3 now. So it could be a great idea to go short and cover at 45. So it got pretty close to target. What was target? It was 930, I believe it was on the NQ. So I'm tempted to go short on the NQ, but I am not sold. To tell the truth, I am scared. And that's because of gold, but I should really clear. There's two contracts here of gold and then go short on the NQ. That's what I should really be doing. But I could be completely wrong on the NQ. Yeah, we will know if I'm right if we see a 52 on the NQ. No, actually, if we see a 50. If we see a 50 on the NQ, then we are on a wave 3. Yeah, I should have stayed a little longer on that NQ, but it's all good. I'm not gonna cry over spilled milk. Maybe I did the right thing by getting out, but I just hope I didn't blow. Okay, so I'm gonna have to. So we dropped 3 points. Yeah, if it's gonna go back up, it's going back up. So I'm gonna minimize my risk here. Gonna be right above the high. But if it's gonna go back up, it's gonna go for a new higher high. So we have not seen a correction at all on this swing up. So it needs to correct. All right, there's a selling opportunity on the ES. I don't trade the ES, but if it's gonna follow the YM down, it could be a good trade just based on that. So it would be short at 31.50. Stop would be at 36 and target 21 even. So not a bad trade. What is that? That is 2.8 risk versus reward. All right, I hope I'm not blowing the opportunity to get out of this gold trade here. It goes against me. It's gonna be a big loss. All right, if we don't see NQ drop from 74, then it's not gonna drop anymore. If we see a 76, then it's gonna go all the way up to target. And Russell's doing a pullback, so it did a triple bottom. It looked like that worked. Russell could be on a wave 3 up. So we need to stay under 63.2 on the Russell. Otherwise, it could be a wave 3 up. Okay, I'm going to take a SEM trade on the ES. Just for the giggles. All right, let me make sure that. Open up the chart trader. I want to make sure I'm on SEM. Chart trader. All right, I'm on SEM. Perfect. I'm not going to show this trade, but it's a SEM trade. High trader. Okay. All right, sell at 31.50. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, come on. Oh, I was looking at gold. Now I'm getting excited here. Yes, yes. Okay, so NQ could bounce off of 54. All right, so this is obvious now again that the NQ is following the ES. All right, up 400 on this trade. So that takes me above 1,000 again for the second time today. Keep going. Okay, it's struggling a little bit at 86.2. So right at that. Yeah, right there. A little bit of algo going on. Come on, keep going. Here we go. Here we go. It's going to hit. All right, it's really playing off of the NQ. Come on. Keep going, NQ. Keep going. Get me out of these two. I'm tempted to just raise my stop. I mean, my target and get out of these two here. Come on. Here it is. Here it is. Go, go, go. Oh, no. That was one tick. One tick. You kidding me? Ah, hit it. I'm getting out. Come on. Oh, come on. No. Oh my God, that sucks. Here it is. Come on. Go, go, go. Come on, where are my sellers? Come on. It's going to go. It's going to go. I'm freaking out a little bit here, but it's going to go. Gotta keep my cool. Keep my cool. It's going to go. Come on. Go. There it is. There it is. Come on, fill me. Oh, come on. What? It was right on it. Wow. Right on it. And NQ is where it could be the end. Oh, it's going. Oh, come on. Oh, I should have lowered my stop instead, but that would have been 3 instead of 2. Wow, I did not get filled. That sucks. One more try. Oh, look at Russell. Russell's going to go for the 4th time. Quadruple bottom. Is it going to break? If it breaks, I think it will move. If it breaks, It'll go to my target here. Come on, Russell. Oh man, I'm tempted to just get out now. But I'm not really being greedy. It's a fair target here. It's not. Come on. But the NQ is making a reversal. It's pulling back. Oh, I should get out. I should get out. I should get out. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here it is. Oh, so close. All right, I'm getting out. Oh, come on. Not again. All right. Woof. Oh, man, that was rough. All right. I'm positive 880 with this trade, 1100. Oh, and there it is. I got scared out. All good, all good. All right. Stop at entry. Let's see if we can reach next target. Will be another 300 bucks. 280. Oh, that was exciting. Kind of freaked out a little bit, but hey, I hate when it just hits your target and it doesn't fill you. And when it's so volatile, if you do a market order, you'll get scalped. So, all right, so look at Russell made a new lower low. So NQ almost negative. Okay, so we don't want to see a 71 on the NQ. We need to pass 46. Yeah, I should have stayed on that NQ. Sometimes you gotta go with your hunch. I had a feeling. All right. Okay, we just saw a whole lot of selling. The market didn't go lower. Oh, here it is. Now it's going. Okay. All right. Now we have offers. Oh, and the bid just took it all. Okay. All right. It could be going back up. They're trying to block. Oh, a big buy. All right, so they just bought, how much is that? 40, close to 65 lots. Yeah, close to 65 lots, and they're not really raising the market. So that could be weakness. All right. Now, am I making a mistake not clearing my other contract? Is it going to come back up and bite me? Well, if we look at the NQ, it looks like it wants to make a new lower low. So I should be going short on the NQ and clearing at 790. So again, NQ could be doing a wave 2. So this is a 1 minute. 1 minute is hard to tell, but well, you can still see it. So let's see. So there it is. Wave 1, 2, 3. But then it did a wave B up. So it could stop at 46. So it could be just an ABC. Or it could keep going. So this could also be a 1, 2, 3 down. So we could be on a wave 3.3. And we won't know until we see at least a 40. So we got to clear this area here, and it needs to keep on going. So if you are trading the micro NQ, I would go for a 1 lot short. Clear at least at 820. If we see a new lower low here, it's money. If we see a pass, so NQ is 9 points from going negative. If it goes negative, it's going to do at least 15 to 20 points. But I don't trade the mini, so I don't want to risk. Let's see if I could try to close the channel with $12,000. Oh, what happened to that ES trade? So it went positive and now is back at negative. All right, so it looks like gold again is waiting for the NQ to see if it's going to make a new lower low. So I talked about this yesterday. Sometimes it's good to watch other markets, sometimes it's not. All right, here we go. Lower low on gold. So it could end at 85.1. Okay, here it is. Here it is. NQ. So we should expect buyers now, and it's happening. They're buying. But it looks like the sellers are in control. And there it is. Keep going, keep going. Okay, so now we could be. Okay, so ABC down. This is where NQ would go back up if it is. But look at that. We're almost at negative. So it looks like YM is also waiting to see if the NQ is going to go negative. The ES too, it's stalling. But I'm positive. I was positive 50 on the ES. Positive 50. Again, it's a sim trade. And look at the Russell. It could not sustain going lower. So it did a quadruple bottom, and it bounced. So is that a tell? Could be. All right, here we go. NQ. Oh man, I could have had 30 points, huh? In this NQ trade. I hope somebody took that NQ trade. Come on. Hope somebody listened. All right, so NQ is bouncing. Obviously, it would because it's ABC, right? Where is it? So ABC, you get buyers. So it's a buying opportunity on the NQ if you don't want to go short. You can go long at 851. Put your stop at 40 and a quarter and target 891. It could be good at least for a 20-point scalp. I'm not taking it, but it could be a good trade. I could be completely wrong. So we could actually be doing a wave 3 up. Right? So then it would be hold on, where's my cursor? So it would be 1, 2, or 1, 2 here, 1, no, have to be here. So 1, then A, B, C, wave 3 up. So choose your camp, either wave 3 down or wave 3 up. But the market is so close from going negative that YM is negative, Russell is negative. I mean, it should have never came down. If the market was going to stay positive, why are we almost at negative? Right? We should have made a new higher high. We should have seen at least 900. But what do I know? So if we see, so if if it gets stopped out, it doesn't mean that it's still not gonna go long. It just means that we got stopped out. It's not a violation of a wave, a wave, a wave two, right? Because it could come all the way down to 1820 or even 1811. It could still be a wave two. Let me draw a wave two. Let's see. So this would be from here to here. Okay, so a typical wave two would be right here. All right, so already got stopped out. Let's see if gold starts moving. So there it is. So this is the typical wave two area. So it could come down all the way close to the low of the cash market. And it will still be valid as a wave two. So to set in stone, we need to see a new low of the day to confirm that we are not on a wave three, but then at the bottom of the NQ, that could also mean a larger ABC down, right? So let's see. Now let me change this to a 5 minute. That'll be easier. Okay, so here we go. So this could be a wave A, B, C down. So not until we see an 800. And then if we see an 800, wow, the NQ is going to be already negative, well, 40 points. Yeah, oh man, that would have been a nice NQ trade. I hope one of you guys took it. Yeah, where did I go short at? I went short at 79. Ah, it's already at 40. Nice little 30 pointer. 40 points. And I cleared at 76. All right, how we're doing here on gold? Not even looking at gold. What's going on? What's going on here? Oh, big absorption on gold at 84.8. 121 lots all together. But it was 186 lot. So they couldn't drop it. That is bad. All right, another buying opportunity on the NQ. So it just did a maximum C. So the first long was minimum C, now it's maximum C. So now you can go long at 45, stop at 34 and a quarter, and target 890. All right, up 293 on this trade. That takes me to $1,174. How we're doing on time DK? All right, I have an hour and 15 minutes. No, an hour and 45 minutes left. 44 minutes left. An hour and 44 minutes left on cash. Oh, look at, so Russell made a new lower low. ES. Oh, whoa, look at ES. I was up $100. Now I'm up 87. Up 100. Wow, I was up 150. No, $200 I was up. Again, if you're just tuning in, the ES trade is just a sim trade. It was short from 31.50 and target is at 21 even. Right, so gold is stalling. It's trying to see if the NQ is gonna go negative or not. Negative 0. All right, let's see if we're getting any sellers. So it went 6 points negative and buyers came in. Looks like the sellers are taking control again. Russell going for new lower lows. It looks like it's going to go for a new low of the day. Is that what it is, low of the day? Yeah. So it's 2 ticks away from a new low of the day. I think if that happens, I think it may drive NQ. I may call it the day here if I get filled. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. 1 point away. All right, so hope nobody took that long on the NQ. You would have been stopped out. Russell's almost making a new lower low. Let's see if any buyers come in. NQ driving south. Negative already 11. I have a feeling we're going to get a spike here on gold, and it's going to hit me. There it is. There. Oh, come on. Not again. 1 tick. Oh, my God. Here it is. Man, again, I hope somebody took that NQ trade. I hope somebody went south. Come on, let's go. 1 tick from getting filled. It'll be a $400 trade. Come on, come on. A little more than 400. All right, so NQ hit the bottom of the box. Full correction. ABC. Come on, go, Gold. Get me out. Here it is. Come on. I'm not being greedy with this target. Very doable. Come on. Here it is. Here it is. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. There it is. Come on. Come on. Get me out. Yes. Oh. Come on. There it is. Boom. $1,600. Yes. Yes. Woohoo. Let me call it the day here. And look at the Russell. I think that's what did it. Russell negative 42 points. All right, I think I'm going to be done here. I want to reach my goal. I don't want to give any money back. All right, guys, I'm done. Hope y'all made some money. So, gold may go all the way down to 71. So if you see another selling opportunity, if you're out of gold also, I would wait to see a 75. And then you should go short again. But gold may bounce off of right here on this box at 82. There was a lot of consolidation at 82, so it may bounce off of that, or it may bounce off of this green line 79.7. So be careful. But in Q, I'm seeing it go all the way down to at least 800, but most likely 790. Oh, that would have been a nice NQ trade. All right, guys, I'm going to stop looking at this. Otherwise, I'm going to be tempted to get back in, and I don't want to. All right, so made some mistakes. I should have cleared half hour into trading. I was already up $1,400. I didn't. I cleared one contract only, and I let the other one go all the way up. But I was able to fix that. And here we are, ending with $1,600. Not bad. I did create a lot of risk by adding 3 at the top. Shouldn't have done that. But the experience it shows me. You know, I've been doing this for a long time. And this is why, you know, it's hard to trade with a small account, because sometimes you're right, but you just don't have enough money to back you. So a way around that is to trade the micros. That's the only way. You know, it will take time for you to build a account, but it's a way to overcome a small account. All right, I've said enough. Thank you, everyone. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you all tomorrow. Cheers.